subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
It's a very weird answer, huh? I'm telling you right now. So when I was 5, I think, I auditioned for a Colgate ad. I have this abnormally big crush on Hrithik Roshan. That's one place जहाँ पर झगड़े होते ही है. मुझे पता है, तो मैं अपनी मॉम को और मेरे मैनेजर अंकल को बोल देता हूँ कि आप लोग
Bigg Boss fame John Kumar Sanu interacted with us before he entered the Bigg Boss 14 house, and here we asked him all his first. So let's go.
Your first audition.
So when I was 5, I think, I auditioned for a Colgate ad. I had auditioned for a Colgate ad when I was 5 or something, and it was the worst audition of my life because basically I had been taken. I've been approached by someone else for. My mom had been approached actually for taking me to the audition and all, and once the camera started, I just sort of froze.
Oh.
And I think I don't remember properly, but I think I cried and I made a scene also over there. So that was perhaps one of the worst auditions of my life. But that was, I think, one of my first auditions ever that I remember.
First rejection.
First rejection. First rejection. ऐसा तो याद I don't remember particularly, but yeah, there have been a lot of such moments where I've gone to places and I've been told, straight up no on my face. ऐसे तो है, first वाला याद नहीं है, but ऐसे है काफी सारे ऐसे moments है where I've been deemed not good enough or something like that. I've faced rejection a lot of times.
First music recording.
First music recording was when I was 8 years old for my Bengali music album.
Okay.
It was Tomra Shunbe To, and at the age of 8 only I had done another recording for a movie called Escape from Taliban.
Okay.
Oh yes, I think that was my first recording. Yes, Escape from Taliban was my first recording because there was a set of live musicians behind me, and Babul Bose uncle was the music composer for it. I was just taken aback by the grandeur of the entire setup, because I was an 8-year-old kid. I was very small, and there was a full panel of musicians behind me, and I was in the front with the mic and all. It is perhaps one of the best feelings I've had in my life.
First paycheck. और कितने का था?
I've been working since I was 5. I'll be very honest with you. I've been working, and I've been earning, I guess, since I was 5, because I used to do. So basically, whatever you have also heard in your life, related to Maggie, Horlicks, Bonvita, and when you come to kids' cartoons and serials, there's Pingu, Noddy, Oswald, Bob the Builder, and I don't remember, but all of those are my voice. They are all my voice.
Oh.
Yes, and I've been the first paycheck that I got, I think I was very small. I was 6 or 7, I guess, I don't know, and it was for a Maggie ka ad, I think. वो हमने full 21 or 21 languages में we had shot, dubbed the entire ad, and it was supposed to be telecast all over India, and yeah, I think that was my first memorable paycheck, I guess. I remember that one.
But you don't remember the amount because you were too small, too young.
I've never, I'm very financially very backwards because I don't like getting into finances, because that's one place जहाँ पर झगड़े होते ही है.
Okay.
मुझे पता है, तो मैं अपनी मॉम को और मेरे मैनेजर अंकल को बोल देता हूँ कि आप लोग फाइनेंसेस का देख लो, मेरा एक ही काम है, और वो है माइक पे गाना, बाकी मेरे को कुछ नहीं जानना और भी क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, बिकॉज आई नो झगड़े होते हैं उसमें.
First fan encounter.
First fan encounter I remember very well. Okay, so I had performed in Netaji Indoor Stadium when I was 7 or 8, and it was in front of an audience of 65,000 people.
Okay.
Inside, like, the Calcutta mein there is this Netaji Indoor Stadium, but those 65,000 people were not scary to me. There was one person in the audience that I was mortally afraid of, and that was Lata ji.
Oh.
Lata ji was sitting in the audience, and Saurav Ganguly bhaiya was there. He was the one who had invited me over. And once I performed, like I did the entire, I did the concert and everything was beautiful. Once I got off the stage, my first fan encounter was this. This is when I gave my first autograph also in my life.
Okay.
There was a person who walked up to me with a photo of Lata ji. He walked up to me with a photo of Lata ji. I will never forget that. And he told me to sign on it.
Wow.
And that's when I gave my first autograph, and I had my first, wow moment in my life where I felt like, wow, like there's someone who wants my autograph also. And that too, he's taking it on a photo that is like, she is considered to be the goddess of singing
Yeah.
in India. So that was one of the
Yeah.
remarkable moments of my life.
Yeah. This should be very memorable, of course. And also, first celebrity crush.
It's a very weird answer, huh? I'm telling you right now. I still do. I have this abnormally big crush on Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
That man is everything to me. I just love him. And the first time that I saw Kaho Na Pyar Hai, I took my entire family, मैंने मतलब रोना धोना जिद विद सब करके, I took my entire family. We got to know that there was a shoot that he was doing, Hrithik Roshan was doing, and my mom called up Raju uncle saying कि Rajesh Roshan uncle, she said कि ऐसा है कि my son he's just breaking the house. He's like, I want to meet Hrithik Roshan. So can that be arranged? So Raju uncle was very sweet and all. He told us to, कि Hrithik sir is like, Hrithik, we are shooting here. He was shooting for a cold drink का ad. And हम लोग कुछ मैंने अपने मेरे जिद की वजह से my entire family stood in the sun for around 2.5 hours or 2 hours just because I wanted to meet Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
And since then, my crush in Bollywood is just been Hrithik Roshan. Like I'm an abnormally mad fan of that man.
First heartbreak.
ऐसा कभी मौका ही नहीं दिया मैंने खुद को दुख
अच्छा.
करने का. हाँ.
Okay. First date.
Not had one till now. Been too busy with my work.
Okay. First clubbing experience, when you go for the first time for the clubbing and all, वो experience कैसा था?
I remember being mortally afraid actually. I have gone clubbing and I felt so bad and afraid that I just came out of that place. It was in my 11th grade. We had made a full plan with friends, कि हम लोग overnight करेंगे and all that, And these guys were telling me, how cool clubbing is basically, people get together and all. But when I entered that place, I got so claustrophobic because there was so much of crowd, like, people were just jammed in together, ekdam ek duje ke upar chipak ke aise, they're pretending to enjoy. I think I lasted 5 minutes in the club before I ran out.
Oh.
Because मुझे इतना दम घुट गया कि मतलब I just and till date I'll tell you something, I'm not the kind of, I don't like parties and clubbing. I'm more on the quieter side, like, I'll get together with 5 friends, have a good time, peaceful time where we talk to each other. I like those kind of things. I don't like that dick chick, full on raving party type, वो सब नहीं अच्छा लगता मुझे यार.
First dish you cooked.
Maggie. I'm a very, very good cook. I cook a lot of stuff now. I cook in my house also. I cook a lot of things at home. I bake stuff. I'm a good cook, and I know a lot of stuff. But my first thing, like the first dish that I made was Maggie.
Lastly, one thing or one experience which you want to have for the first time and is most awaited by you.
Currently, the thing that I'm most waiting for, because it's never happened before, is I want to meet Salman sir.
Okay.
I have never met him in person, and I'm a very, very big fan of Salman sir for a very long time, and I'm just waiting for that moment when I actually get to, see him in front of me, because I've been a part of the crowds that have gone to see him. I've also been waiting in the sun and waiting for hours just to get a glimpse of Salman sir, and the day that I get to meet him face to face, it's going to be beautiful for me. I feel that's one of the moments that I'm really looking forward to.
Are you a fan of Bigg Boss 14? If yes, don't miss out on the latest gossips and updates only on www.indiaforums.com. We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with John Sanu. If you did, comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums Addiction at its best.